Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to show you people my new setup. Setup means system, not that. Let's start with the cabinet. I bought an finger cabinet for the very first time and I'm so happy. The model number is Macho Tower, you can see this here. I'm happy because this cabinet have all the things I need. I'm gonna show you one by one. I'm very happy with the cabinet. The quality, the price, the things I can add and remove are so perfect. So guys, if you want an cabinet in which can do all the things in a very low price, this is the cabinet for you. I'm not going to lie about anything. Let's start with the description. It comes with an matte black finish. The inside outside everything is blacked out. It looks very nice. It doesn't look patchy feeling or old feeling like this one. For example, this type of cabinets come with some other color from outside, some other color from inside. It's not like that. It's then full blacked out. Very nice matte finish. It comes with an front panel I/O connection. You have two normal USBs, mic and headphone connection, power button here, reset button here, LED indicators here, power and hard drive. You have one DVD slot here, and this one is fully matte finish, which looks very nice, and it doesn't have any scratches on that because of the matte finish. This is the front panel, very nice. Let's talk about its side proportion or side profile. You can see this one, right? Very nice, right? See, this is my crossfire carbide. You can see the height of this one compared to this one. See, height is very similar. The spacing also very similar. See, this is my crossfire carbide, and see this one, very nice, right? Same space, same length, almost same length, same width, everything identical, but the design is little bit different and the price is very different. So let's talk about the inside. Inside we get an top mount SMPS design. You can have this one here, which is very nice for normal PC, and we have 1 2 3 DVDs. We have 2 DVD slots here, but you can use only one because the design. Only one DVD slot available, but 2 option is there, but one is you can use. And the motherboard connection is very nice. You can put full ATX motherboard there. I put in small motherboard, but you can add full ATX. From here to here there are a lot of space, and from here to this point, up to this point, you can add motherboard. If you have this much width of motherboard and this much height of motherboard, you can easily install, because nothing gonna disturb or anything like that. See, you have so many option here. I hope you can see this one. By seeing this, you get the idea, right? For the motherboard, if you have very huge motherboard, you can easily add without any problem. And you know, one another thing about this one, you can add SSD backside also. See, I hope you can see. Wait, let me focus. Okay, see, SSD, there is a notch. You can put SSD backside, and you have an shroud here. You can easily connect that one if you want to see or don't want to see SSD like that. Nice, right? Okay, let's talk about the other things. Oh, my cable is pulling. So guys, from here we can have 1 2 3 4 5. We can install up to 5 hard drives simultaneously. You can install up to 5 hard drives, and you can install 3 SSDs. Either you can install 5 hard drives, or you can install what that say 3 SSDs. That is very nice. That's the thing I wanna say, because you can have so many things in a very compact, not compact, but in very nicely designed cabinet. That is the thing. So you get one 80 mm fan here, and backside it should look something like this. And I want to show you people, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 graphic card cutouts. You can have anywhere you want because it have lots of space. So currently in this, that's all the cabinet. Let's talk about the motherboard and processor. I'm using Intel i5 4th generation processor with an Gigabyte motherboard, and the socket is 1150. I'm using an Kingstone. Kingstone is my favorite RAM. I'm using Kingstone is my favorite RAM, and we have 500 GB of Seagate SSD, not SSD, hard drive, which is very nice. And I'm using an Zebronics power supply. You can see this one. That person is making a lot of noise. This is why I don't make videos on daytime. So guys, let's continue. This is my Zebronics power supply, which is very trusted brand. I'm using this one from maybe 10 years. They never failed. The quality may be okay. Let's start. Oh god. The quality of the SMPS may be not that good, not that great, but on that price point, that is the best SMPS I had till now. So guys, that's all from this video. If you like this video, I hope you like this video. Don't worry about the quality and other things. I'm a normal person in a normal place. This is how you get. So guys, that's all from this video. Okay, wait. I'm gonna tell you the cost of this one. Okay, let's talk about the cost of this one. The whole setup, not only CPU. I'm gonna give you the only CPU. LG DVD is also there. The whole CPU with the i5 4th generation processor, Gigabyte motherboard, 4 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk, Zebronics 450 watt power supply with a DVD, and the new cabinet. The whole CPU cost you like around 7,500 Indian rupees. That's all I'm selling this one. This is the selling price. I already have a customer is coming, so I'm gonna sell this one for 7,500 Indian rupees. This is the current price in September 2022. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe. If you have any questions related, any computer or IT related doubts, you can comment me on the comment section. I'm gonna reply sooner or later. So guys, that's all from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.